Hey, it's Joe from Rapid Roofing. If you're dealing with a leaking skylight after the snow we just got, you're not alone. A buddy of mine in Farmingdale told me he got 5 inches. That's a lot of weight sitting on your roof right now. So in this video, I'm going to break down what to look for, what it costs to fix, and when it makes more sense to just replace the whole thing. Let's get into it. First things first, you need to understand what's actually going wrong up there. The biggest culprit after a snowstorm is ice dams. Heat escapes from your attic, melts the snow on your roof, and that water runs down and refreezes right near your skylight. That blocks drainage and forces moisture underneath the flashing. Here on Long Island, we hover right around freezing during winter months. So you get these repeated melt-freeze cycles that just wear everything down. Now here's something a lot of homeowners don't realize. Not every water droplet means you have a leak. Sometimes it's just condensation. If moisture appears evenly across the glass and clears up when you ventilate the room, that's condensation. But if you're seeing staining, drip trails after a storm, or water pooling on your ceiling, that's a real leak, and you need a pro to look at it. So when does repair make sense versus replacement? If your skylight is under 15 years old and the damage is isolated, repair is usually the way to go. But if you're dealing with multiple leaks, fog between the panes, or a frame that's showing rot or corrosion, replacement is the better investment long-term. Now I gotta be real with you. Roof work is dangerous, especially on icy or snow-covered surfaces. If you've got visible water stains inside, cracked glass, or anything that requires getting up on a steep roof, call a professional. A skylight inspection typically runs $75 to $250 and can save you thousands by catching small problems before they become major repairs. So let's recap real quick. After a snowstorm, check for ice dams and look for signs of leaking inside. Know the difference between condensation and an actual leak. Understand your costs so you can make a smart decision on repair versus replacement. And if you're unsure, get a professional inspection. If you're on Long Island and you need help with your skylight, give us a call. We offer 24/7 emergency service across Nassau and Suffolk counties with free estimates. We'd love to help you out.